Hello guys, in this video I am going to be showing how to install Vencord in Discord and get free Nitro features. So let's begin. First of all, go to the Vencord website. The link will be in the description. Then from there, click download Vencord and then choose your desired software and press on download Vencord installer.exe. After the download is finished, open the file and press install. After the installation, restart your Discord and you will be able to see a Vencord category in your Discord settings. Now if you go to the plugins menu and turn on Fake Nitro plugin and restart Discord, you will be able to send animated emojis and stream at 4K. You can also set custom themes and use various useful plugins as well. If you need a tutorial on those, make sure to subscribe and like this video to show some support. As always, I am Dimouse and see you guys in the next video.